Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can edit WhatsApp messages. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open WhatsApp. So once you open WhatsApp, you simply need to click on any conversation and you need to send a message. So I'm going to send a random message and click on share. And let's suppose I want to edit this message, so you need to hold that message and you simply need to click on three dots, and here you can see an option of edit. Click on that and you can edit your message. So let me edit to coming now, and you can click on the tick mark and now you can share, and here you can see edit it. But keep in mind that you can only edit WhatsApp message that you send within 15 minutes. After that you are unable to send message. So you can see the yesterday message, and here you can see that I am unable to edit this message. So keep in mind that you can only send message within 15 minutes, otherwise you are unable to edit that message. So this is the process by which you can edit message on WhatsApp. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.